Have you ever wanted to build a real Flutter app? Not just UI demos, but something that actually works? In this class, we are going to build a complete BMI calculator in Flutter step by step from scratch. No boilerplate confusion, no copy-paste chaos. Just clean Flutter explained clearly. Let me quickly show you what we'll be building. In this app, you'll be able to select gender, enter age, enter height, and enter some weight. And based on that, you can actually calculate the BMI. And you can actually change that one by one. And you can see how the UI changes based on the value that you add in. So if I go below 70, it's going to show me that this is the healthy weight for this calculations. And if I go below 30, it's going to show that, well, we have a severe thinness. And also the data is right over here, which shows the actual classifications, and at the bottom we also have a disclaimer. And if you want to reset everything, you can click on this reset button and everything will be clear. This is a fully functional app and not a toy example. In this class, you will learn how to structure a real Flutter project, how to build clean reusable widgets, how to work with stateful widget and set state, how to create custom input fields, how to validate user input properly, how to calculate BMI and update the UI dynamically, how to apply Material 3 theming, and how to write clean beginner-friendly Flutter code. These are the same patterns used in real production apps. If you're ready to stop watching Flutter tutorials and start building real apps, let's get started.